Hi, welcome to My Development, Visma's tool for managing your professional development within the company. This video will give you a tour of the most important features in the system. First, when logging in, you are presented with several options. 1. Click on My Development to add or adjust your goals and to plan appraisals with your manager. 2. Click on Check-in to prepare a brief and more informal update with your manager. 3. Click on the Support button to find help and relevant contact information. Note that the question mark in the top right menu will take you to the same place and be visible to you no matter where you are located within the system. 4. This wheel illustrates what the annual performance cycle looks like in Visma. Throughout the year, you will engage in 2 appraisals with your manager, in addition to more informal check-ins. You can read more about the different conversations by marking the different parts of the wheel. When clicking on My Development, you will get access to all elements linked to your individual performance. This includes goals and ongoing and past reviews with your manager. This is what your dashboard will look like when logging in for the first time if you have not yet created any goals or been invited to an appraisal. From here, the first thing you do is create an individual goal. First, decide on what you want to name your goal and include a brief description. Now select a goal category. Here you are able to choose between result goals, which are linked to your deliverables, and development goals linked to your personal and professional development. In addition, your manager will have the option to add key results and objectives on team or business unit level. For this particular goal, we will select Development Goal. Then, add Start and Due Date. The Exclude from Review tab should by default be switched to No, to make sure that all goals you add are included in your appraisals. In the section called Related Activities, you may add success criteria or support activities helping you achieve your goal. In the section called Resources, you can add relevant links to articles, TED Talks, or other things linked to your goals. Now you have completed your first goal. Select Save and add another, or Save to exit the goal function. After creating a goal, you will see that the Goal tab appears in your dashboard, including all active goals. The same goals will also be listed below, including the progress of each goal. To update the progress, click Mark Complete or drag the progress bar to intended level, and add a comment is applicable. In addition to your own individual goals, you will also have access to the organizational goals of your division. To view these, click on Organizational Objectives. When it is time for My Development Plan, your manager will assign a template to your dashboard. You will be notified by email asking you to sign in and prepare for the talk. To start preparations for the meeting, click on the link. The first thing you should do is to double check that the review owner is correct. This should be your immediate manager. You may use the attachment functionality if you wish to upload an attachment with the review form. This could, for instance, be a certificate from a completed project or course you attended. To prepare for the meeting with your manager, you should fill out the form. An important part of the review is to create goals for the coming year. Click Add and follow the same steps as before. Click Save to store your pre-work. Do not click Submit, as this will send your notes to your manager. After the meeting is conducted, go back to the review form, make adjustments to your notes and goals according to the agreements made with your manager, and press Submit to send to your manager. Once your manager has approved and released the review, you will receive a notification by email. In the Workboard tab, you will have access to an area where you can make notes that you wish to discuss with your manager in one of the more informal check-ins. Click on Add Note to add new notes. You may create all notes in the to-do list and drag and drop as they are progressing, or create notes directly in one of the other 2 categories. To prepare for a check-in, press the check-in button for an overview of your current notes and goals, which creates the agenda for the check-in. Once a check-in is completed and your manager has closed it, it will be visible in past check-ins. In your profile on the left-hand side, you can view your personal information and change your profile picture. To update your profile picture, click Update Picture and Upload File. You can also download the app SabaCloud in your App Store if you want to do the preparations or review on your mobile phone. You have now been through the most important steps for making use of My Development. Remember, you can always request help by clicking on the Help button. Thank you for joining us on this tour.